How are wires and cables made? Wires as important conductive carriers, not only to withstand high temperatures. It also needs to withstand various harsh corrosive environments. Therefore, its protective device is particularly important. Making him starts with bare leaking copper wire. Several opportunities to cover the bare leaking copper wire with a layer of insulating rubber to ensure that the insulating rubber completely covers the copper wire. The factory will use this testing machine. The machine can accurately detect the slightest flaw. And these insulating rubber colors have uniform standards. Red is usually the line of fire, and blue is usually the zero line. This can facilitate the installation of electricians later. In the next step, these finished wires will be wound together through the parallel break to form a cable, but in the process of entanglement, this insulated wire needs to be added in the middle of the cable. At the same time, it will also bring this insulating white thin wire with the wire. Wrap the insulating wire around the middle through the positioning plate. These thin white lines are mainly used to fill the gap in the middle. When winding, the machine will also coat it with transparent insulating rubber. After that, Bauto will wrap a layer of anti-corrosion tape around the surface of the wrapped cable. In another workshop, the factory makes wires for indoor use. This kind of wire is relatively simple to produce. Generally, every 2 wires can be wound and packaged. The previously made cable will be wrapped with a layer of high-temperature